Algebra 1, Lesson 18, like terms and addition of like terms. So we should know what like terms are based off of the lesson today, so we have to remember how to add like terms and how to identify them. So we'll be going over practices A, B, C, and D. We'll be going over all of them. So if you remember from the lesson, the easiest way to deal with this is to write everything in alphabetical order or reverse alphabetical order, but write them all the same way, so that way we can clearly see which ones are the same and which ones are not. In this case, the only one that's not written the same as the other ones is this one, negative 4yx. It's in reverse alphabetical order where all the rest are in alphabetical order. So I can just cross this one out, and I'll replace it with negative 4xy. From there I can see all the like terms, and I'm going to go ahead and group them together by some kind of identifying shape. Like for example, this first one, negative 2xy, I'll take all of the xy's and I'll box them. I've got negative 4xy, negative 2xy. Alright, so those are all of the xy's. I can go ahead and combine those. So negative 2xy minus 4xy, or negative 2xy plus negative 4xy, gives me a total of negative 6xy. Remember, the unknown doesn't change, so the x's and the y's don't change. If they have exponents, the exponents don't change. And then I'm going to go to the next term, plus 3x. So I'll take all the x terms and I'll circle them. So plus 3x minus 2x. That's just going to become plus 1x, or I can just write plus x to combine those. So those are done. And then the last one is the whole numbers, which there's only one, plus 4. So then I just put plus 4. Once I've done that, I've added all the like terms there are. There's nothing else I can do here, so that's my final answer. Now let's go to B. We've got a little bit more to work with here. So we've got 2xyz plus 3xy minus 5zyx. So 5zyx is the only one that's not in alphabetical order, so we'll go ahead and rewrite that one. We'll rewrite it as negative 5xyz. Now we can see that these two are like terms, and we're going to have to combine these. So we'll go ahead and box this one and this one. Positive 2 plus negative 5 gives me a value of negative 3xyz. And then plus 3y is the only term left, so, or plus 3xy, so we just add that one on there. Plus 3xy, and that's our final answer. Alright, so we should be getting a feel for this. We've got two more problems. We'll go ahead and do both of them. C, I kind of messed up writing. This is supposed to be a minus sign. And then they're all kind of, let's see, alphabetical order. That's alphabetical order. That one's messed up. So we'll rewrite the 3yac, and that's going to become 3acy. And now we can see that these two are like terms. So then we have positive 3acy plus 6acy gives us 9acy. And then minus 2ac is the only one left, and we're done. Okay, so again, once you find the like terms, the only number that's changing here is the coefficient. Nothing else is going to change. Now the last one. We've got 4 minus x minus 2xy plus 3x minus 7yx. Okay, so this one's backwards. We'll rewrite this as negative 7xy. And then we can see here there's only one whole number. There's one negative x, one positive x, and then here we go. Okay, so let's group these together by biggest ones. Negative 2xy plus negative 7xy gives me negative 9xy. Negative x and positive 3x give me positive 2x. And then the only whole number is 4, so that's going to be a plus 4. Alright, so and then if you get caught with a whole number or a lonely term in the front, that's always just going to be an added term. So you just add it with a plus sign like we did that one. And that's all there is.